Okay, so I told you to paste your sources here. So you have this document that has all of your sources on it, just the links, right? Okay, so I told you you're going to actually, it's going to have to look a certain way, remember? These links are going to have to look like this. So let me show you how to get it there. So you're going to go to the bit.me site that is here. So go ahead and click on this website, and it looks like this. And then go to your links, and you're going to need to just copy your links. Now make sure you see I did not grab that period. Make sure if you have a period, you don't grab it. You've got to make sure you have nothing but the link. And it actually looks like I may have a space in front of it. So I just want to copy the link, okay? And then I'm going to go to that bit.me. It's called bit.me. I'm going to go to this website, MLA website, okay? So now I'm going to, you see where it says find a website by URL? I'm going to paste my website there. Be careful because a lot of ads pop up, okay? I'm going to search for the website. Searching, it's searching. That's it. That's the one I want. It found it, so I'm going to select it. It's like, here's what we found, okay? They could not find the publication day, month, year. So if you can find the publication day, month, or year, I'm going to go to the final step. I might need to fill in some things, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and create citation. The citation is what we want. And that's my citation. This right here in this pink box. So I want to copy and paste it. Then I'm going to go to that page where I had all these links. So instead of the links, I'm going to paste my citation. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for each one of these. I'm going to copy my link, and I just clicked add another citation to your bibliography and make sure I'm on MLA website. Yep, that's the one that I want. I'm selecting that. They're like, yay, we found it. This time they had all of that stuff. They just couldn't find the publisher or sponsor, which is fine. Final step, it's going to ask me to check all of this. Yes, I want to generate this citation, create citation. And it's going to make me watch this because, I mean, it's all free, so it's all good. So this ad will end in 9 seconds. And now I have it. I can copy and paste it. I'm going to go back to my document. I'm just going to put it here. Okay, and I'm going to keep doing this. And the way I did it is add another citation. Okay, I can save my work, download to a Word document. But I'm going to add it here. Okay, so if you notice, I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I want to copy and paste all of those. See right here? Copy and paste all. So I've got them all copied and pasted. And then if I wanted to, see, I already copied and pasted them here, but I wanted to show you, you could also do this step. I just don't like take the chance in it not working out right. Okay, so if I copy and paste them all, just so you know, it's going to end up looking like this. But I want to show you how to get these to look like that. Okay, first, you got to edit, select all. I want them double spaced. Okay, then as they are double spaced, you're going to go to Format, Align Indent, Indentation Options, Hanging, and Apply. Okay, so now yours looks like theirs. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. You actually have 4. Now let me show you how this should work. this should actually be in alphabetical order. So I'm going to move Denmark up here. I'm going to move my number. I'm going to keep that down there. Or actually, this one will go first. My number 1 will go first. And this one will go here. So now they're in alphabetical order. I want to get rid of the spaces in between. Don't need those. So if you notice, now they look the same. Okay, so that's how you do it. So you can copy and paste all. I rather, because things happen where you may lose this if you don't save it or whatever. So, or you can just keep adding, you know, more citations and then copy and paste all. But it's just easier, you know, to do it this way. It's easier to copy and paste all, but it's also good to know exactly how you're supposed to do it. Okay, so that is how all of these come together. So now let me tell you what to do with this page. Okay, so I don't need these links anymore, and I kept them there just so we can make sure we have everything right. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and delete, you know, all this other stuff I was showing you just for examples, just so we don't have anything else in the way. Okay, so now I need to make sure I'm all the way up on the very top line. Okay, good. So now I want you to write the words works cited. The W needs to be capitalized and the C needs to be capitalized. Move that to the center of the page. And this is it. This is actually going to be the very last page of your full essay. Let me show you what it's going to look like completed. Okay. So this is your essay, and this is what it will look like. Well, we just need to move his down there. So that's what it will look like at the end of your essay. Again, this will be attached to the very end of your essay. Okay.